Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
Episode 27 of Cyrus Says was released on July 30th, 2015.
Just to remind everybody that language usage and content that we provide here may be disturbing, disgusting, probably will be and should be. Words like bloody custard and words that rhyme with that may be featured. Actually will be featured. In fact, perhaps will only be featured. Just warning you.
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
I don't understand why we have to spend so much time changing clothes. Everybody keeps telling me change the shirt, change the shirt, change the shirt. My question to you is, we have a country with all kinds of problems. We're going to lose all kinds of things. We have a water issue, electricity issue. We're going to have a clothes issue soon. Please don't change your shirt. Just be clean and carry on with the same shirt. It works in the army. It works in the catering business. Why can't it work for you? It's called Cyrus Says.
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
Suresh Menon and Jose in the house. It's going to be an experience of a lifetime. We will discuss everything from body parts to... Well, I think body parts is all we're going to discuss. As far as I can get, there's not much more. But it's worth it. See, I would have been excited because I had asked for Johnny Lever and I'm a big fan. But Johnny Lever couldn't come. So he sent two of his disciples. They're supposed to be very talented, very good looking and female. Jose and Suresh Menon.
Oh wait, this is Roshan Abbas. What's wrong with you?
Okay, Roshan and Abbas. Which one is Roshan? Which one is Abbas?
1 second, I'm prepared today.
Yes.
Yeah, hi, I'm Roshan.
Oh God, now you'll see what I really look like. Take it down, take it down. Don't do that. Just want to tell you that over my shoulder, that black thing at the back,
hi.
that's a camera.
Oh, I thought there was someone standing there, just like
That
randomly.
other black thing at the back, you ignore. This is the camera, and this will show you your true colors on a channel called Comedy Central.
Oh,
This is your debut
Oh, is it?
for the 15th time on
Comedy Central.
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Because since we are the original guys who started
Fair
off,
enough,
yeah.
fair enough. And are they paying you as much as they pay us?
Of course, we paid quite a bit.
Right, right.
Paying?
What? Paying? What?
No, I get to sit on the lap of the head of Comedy Central, and Kunal gets to take off his clothes in public. That's what we get out of it.
You get
Kunal
to-
does that anyway. Whether or not he's going to sit on anyone's lap.
Kunal doesn't wear clothes anymore, Jose. A very important point that you brought up.
Thank you,
But
thank
the
you.
topic of discussion, I have prepared questions. Can I get
Oh,
into them?
please.
Firstly, welcome to our show. It's called Cyrus Says. It's a podcast. It's got a huge following. Hold for laughter. Come back.
Silence.
Why are you laughing? You don't laugh. That's rude. Okay, it's got some sort of following, but okay, I can't lie anymore. Nobody knows about us, but that's why we've got you. Because Jose, I believe you're huge on Twitter.
Yeah, as in physically.
Physically big, a fat guy.
Thank you.
And Suresh, what about you? You don't have a computer yet. You're the only Malayali who doesn't have email. Am I right?
No, I have an email. I got a Hotmail account, so...
All
Got a Hotmail
He switched from the old days.
Yeah.
Remember when he and I would go to the geriatric ward at Breach Candy, and old ladies, he would massage their feet for free.
Yeah, obviously.
He has a Hotmail account. He has a VCR player. He
Yeah.
also has a CD.
But no
CD
TV.
Walkman.
But no TV. So you
No
play the
TV.
movie and you don't actually get to watch it.
I got a Keltron TV at home.
What is a Keltron TV?
Kerala Electronics.
Kerala Electron is my favorite brand, may I say.
He's
Okay,
a time traveler.
can I get into my questions or I want to just sit and freewheel for 2 minutes
Yeah,
like
yeah.
this?
No. Please
First,
get
I
it.
want to ask about this. I'm going to use a word in Hindi which I can't pronounce because
Oh,
the
no.
is the problem. This Jodi. This is very close to Judy.
At
which
least you
is
didn't
my
say
aunt.
Chodi.
I was going to say Chodi, but apparently on Comedy Central you're not allowed
You're
to
not
say
allowed.
even Jodi because
Yeah.
that's also
okay.
in Greek that's something.
Rab ne bana di Jodi.
Rub you can't say either because then that's a sexual
yes.
thing.
Jodie
so
Foster.
Foster you can't say because it's a beer. So you don't talk. You talk. This guy's terrible. Everything he says is dangerous. Okay, so how did you all become friends? Okay, and let's face it, this is not just friends. This is more than friends. This relationship. So go back and tell us. How did you all become
Oh, sorry.
friends?
I wouldn't say we're friends.
Okay, that's not interesting. I'm not interested. I thought about it, and I'm thinking the viewers who are watching will be like, "Why? Why do we want to know about two men?" So let's not get into that. Let's give you a good question. Can I give you a good question?
Yeah, please, sir, please carry on.
Why don't you, Jose, ask Suresh a question?
Suresh, why are you here?
Now that's a good question.
What are you doing?
Even though I have my own camera, I'm going to take yours. I'm going to go full of myself. Why is he here? Very important question. Yeah, go ahead, Suresh.
I'm just here for the laughter track.
Okay.
Yeah, laugh track, that's it.
All right. Can you give us a little taste of how you laugh? Jose, let's do a joke together.
Okay.
And the bar opened and the man said, boo. Now you laugh. Now, if you're more than one person, how would you sound?
That was his more than
Yeah,
one
that's
person,
it.
I think.
Jeez, I'm so sorry. He's a one-trick pony.
Yeah, I'm saying.
What the hell is this?
been
A lot of
all,
talent, yeah.
all we got is that. Damn you. All right. Okay, so you're not going to ask him any sensible questions, so I'll give you a chance to ask Jose. Suresh, can you ask Jose a nice question?
Jose, are you happy?
Okay, this is depressing the whole show now. I'm feeling bad.
Why would you ask
Oh,
me
but
that?
never ask. How can you ask someone
know
that?
I'm
That's the most
depressed.
painful question. The only person happy is you.
Yeah.
For some
honestly.
reason.
I don't know. I'm always happy.
Why are you always happy?
There's nothing to be sad about.
I think he never watches his own work or mine. I think that's very clear.
Yeah, that's a good. I never watched
That's
my
why
own
he's
work.
always happy.
We've been doing this podcast our own podcast for so long. He hasn't heard it. He doesn't know what the website. Ask him what the website is.
I heard he doesn't even speak English. I don't know what
He's been faking it this whole
Yeah,
time.
how do you guys manage?
It's just
What is your
syllables.
podcast called? Let's give your podcast some.
Khan Masti.
What?
What's the website? What?
1 minute. Comedy Central. This is nothing to do with us.
K.
The other week that wasn't. This
With
is
the
them.
K.
K.
It's a
कान मस्त का
हाँ.
अरे हिंदी नहीं आते आप लोग को
नहीं, इसलिए ना,
कान
हमको नहीं आता है, इसलिए हम लोग ऐसा
मैं
बोलता है
कुछ
उधर.
देर सिर्फ.
I heard बान
ओह या मैं कुछ देर के लिए सिर्फ हिंदी में वार्तालाप करना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि
ठीक है वातावरण
आप
कैसे
लोग-
है आपके घर में I also pick up one word a day.
बिल्कुल वातानुकूलित है. It's like
You
this
don't.
place.
Hey, listen, you're from
That's
Bandra.
good, yeah.
Nobody speaks Hindi. You go, hey, rickshaw. That's it.
Ocho.
Hey, rickshaw is not Hindi.
Ocho.
What is
Ocho,
Ocho?
Ocho.
Ocho.
It's Osho.
Ocho.
Show respect. He's dead.
Yeah.
Huh.
So are the autos.
What is Ocho? Otto is Ocho?
Ocho. When you're saying auto,
Are
it
people
becomes
so
cho.
lazy in Bandra that they actually don't even do the T?
We've never actually got a rickshaw ever.
But
We
together.
just scream it.
Okay. You just,
Ocho, meow.
and
So-
just look at them for a little
Camera
while.
hero.
You want to do that? Do what I do?
Meow.
Yeah, you want to just take that camera, then you cut me off.
Oh, what's going on?
No, you have to look in the camera. Oh shucks, they put.
Hey,
put
Suresh, if
something
you get
on
up and look, the whole show will end. So you can't do that.
Yeah.
All right, now I've got some important questions.
Yeah, please.
I want you to talk about the state of Indian cricket because I know Suresh, you love cricket, and Jose, you hate
Oh.
it. So I'm going to ask you.
Cricket, of course, it's. very close
See, now
to
if you
mind.
take long to answer, I don't come
There's
back.
no
Okay,
time.
one second.
There's no time.
I
Let
think the
him
state
speak,
of
Jose.
Let me speak, sir.
Okay.
The state of
No,
cricket.
actually, you were right, Jose. Don't let him.
No, let
I
me
thought
speak.
about it. You were right. You
Oh,
made the
shut
right
up.
decision.
Let me
You
speak on
speak,
cricket.
you speak.
I think we are in a very dangerous stage right now because I don't think people know what exactly they're doing. I'm very happy that Ravi Shastri is there in the team now. I think he's when he was playing, and I think he was one of the best captains that India could have had.
It's
Strategically, I think he's got the things right. And if you see, Dhoni need not be changed right now.
This is
Dhoni
a-
should continue for a long time.
this is exactly
and
like-
furthermore, I believe that Mohammad Kaif should open the innings.
Jose, 2 words.
This is exactly.
Kill me.
I will kill you.
Kill me. If you love me.
Exactly
Ocho.
like
Ocho.
playing
Stop.
One second, let me
Kill.
speak, sir, please.
Speak.
When Vijay Merchant used to play cricket,
No.
I know.
No, bus.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Lala Marnath.
Now
Stop
you know
it.
why I despise cricket and
Why do you
cricket
even
fans.
bother getting married when you have someone so close to you who talks all the time?
Terrible. I meet him once a week.
What do you get out of your wife? Be honest.
Well,
Meetings.
food and
Let me hold my, my
food and
dirty look.
stay.
Huh, what? Food and stay?
Food and stay.
But I heard she stays in your
F&B.
house. The family
No,
house.
I stay in
Have you
my
got your own
house.
place?
No, not
Why
yet.
didn't you all have
We
kids?
discussed this last time.
Let me just tell the camera because it might be on. Camera, just to tell you, Jose has been married 2 years and there are no children. So 4 options. A, he doesn't like girls. B, medical issues. C, she left. D, he married a man. What is the answer?
See, you don't know this because you haven't
called-
heard our podcast, but I went
Yeah.
for sperm tests.
And you failed.
And I failed.
18 on 20. How much did you get?
The sperm started eating ants around the place. The ants started eating sperm, sorry. The
Yeah.
sperm can't eat ants. But
But why are you making out with ants? Why not with your uncles?
it's a long story.
I'm so sorry.
Kill me.
Kill me. Kill me. Your turn. Take this camera. Kill me. Kill me. Okay, I've just got a message on my headphones.
They're like, enough, stop this now.
No, can we make it more sexual? Can you all remove your clothes and start kissing?
Oh, sure.
No. Okay, quickly. Last thing. And this is a very important thing, so I'll set it up to the camera. This is the question we wanted to ask them. Who is the greatest comedian in India? This is the question the podcast asks everybody. Jose, you have 5 seconds.
Okay, since we have YouTube and...
Okay, that's not the right answer. The moment you said YouTube, your answer is wrong. Suresh, you get the chair now, please. Who is the greatest comedian in India?
Johnny Lever.
Wrong answer. Jose, I'll give you a chance.
I'd go with George Carlin, then Cyrus Brown.
Okay, stop. You had your moment.
But
and you-
very close, really
no,
close.
close is not enough. Suresh, one more chance. 80 KT.
Cyrus.
Which Cyrus?
Saukar.
See, this kind of humor is misplaced.
It's terrible,
It's like
terrible.
promoting ISIS.
One second.
Don't do that.
Okay,
Don't come
one
on
more
this
chance,
show.
one more chance.
One more chance.
Suel Seth.
Okay, you're right actually. You are absolutely right. When I think about it.
But I feel like Suhail Seth is sometimes impersonating you. Just be careful. He's
much
trying
fitter
to
than
be you.
he's much fitter than I am.
Not
But
physically.
he's older. But much older than you.
He's got more girls, more money,
Yeah,
more
that's-
time, more hair.
Yeah.
I hate that guy. How the hell does he have everything?
Such
Money
a
being
short,
the
easy
keyword.
name also.
Yeah, honestly, just be honest. You got what's coming up in your future, Jose?
Nothing.
Okay, good.
That's
good.
why I'm here.
What about you? What about you?
3 films, a lot of work, and Khan Masti.
3 films.
Yeah.
As in, he's going to watch films, these 3 films when he goes
Hey,
home.
what's- we had done a film together,
You go to
Cyrus.
Inox? Oh, we did.
Yeah,
but
we-
it didn't get released.
Never.
And it was called Mumbai Chaka Chak. I thought it was about eunuchs. Chaka Chak. It's actually about cleaning Mumbai.
You all did a film together.
It was fiction.
Once
Mumbai
again,
Chaka Chak.
and Cyrus was paired with one of the most brilliant actors in our country.
Who?
Rahul Roy.
Bose!
No, Rahul Bose. Yeah.
Every Bengali surname is not Roy. Stop it!
He's so brilliant that Suresh remembers his surname perfectly.
Suresh and him didn't get along for some reason. I don't know why.
But how did you all shoot this film? I mean,
I was at home most of the time.
exactly. I mean, Cyrus has to leave. How is he? How
And
is he
remember
shooting the
Hindi
film?
dialogues and all.
Hindi dialogues in South Bombay. Yeah? Let me just warn you.
You're kidding.
Yeah.
I feel your pain, bro.
You got to understand what I went through with Suresh because he had a trailer and I didn't. So I had to sit in his trailer all the time. And I must tell you that he is a very faithful man when it comes to marriage and
Oh,
love.
yeah.
Yeah.
Suresh, can I use your toilet? Yeah, of course. I mean, it's
No,
mine.
it's not the toilet. It's the person he used as the toilet, which was the problem. No names. Okay, you've been wonderful. It's been lovely talking to you.
Awesome,
I'll give you a chance to ask me any question because I don't think it should be one way. So go ahead. One last question from your side. Anything you want.
Listen, how do you get out of the studio?
Ding! The time is over.
Which side?
Time is over,
Dadar
thanks.
kis taraf aata hai?
Okay, I'll give you one other question since you had your funny moment where you asked the stupid question. One more
Who
question.
is the most amazing comic in India? Cyrus, over to you.
Okay, the question has been asked many times before, so it's been disqualified immediately.
Oh.
You get one last question.
Damn.
The topics to be covered are animals, little girls, or gorillas. Who are also animals
wow,
and can be
okay.
little girls.
Yeah.
Go on.
So, Michael,
Thank you.
I don't know why I said that.
Who's Michael?
I don't care.
Jackson. So,
You know, all I can think about is the guy editing this is.
Okay, now again you're using language.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Try and
sorry.
understand that the people who listen to my podcast are 3 and
It's
below.
different. Yeah.
okay, I want to ask you an important question.
Right,
the whole
right.
country needs to know, sir.
Right.
Is it true
Yeah.
that you do a bench press
Yeah.
with 300 pounds?
Oh, great question.
Yeah, my wife has put on weight, yes. And how dare you mention that? Yes. I do it with a smile on my face. Because
But
when
is
you're
it
married,
true,
it's
sir?
for life.
But is it true, sir? Bench press.
It's true. And I will show you now how to move your pecs at will.
Yeah.
You sing a song and I'll move my pecs to it. Ready? On your marks, get set, go.
Yeah. Yara ho yara.
I want Malayalam.
Oh. Can
Can you do AABBA?
AABBA. What is AABBA?
The meter.
Oh, no, I don't have any meter.
Come on, I'm moving my pecs. Sing.
Oh, fuck, nice.
Jose, you also try.
Aadi,
I'm just- I don't know what's happening.
Aadi,
He's feeling embarrassed to look at my chest, huh?
Dude, that's amazing.
So means I can do phone numbers.
Nice, lovely, man.
9821155944.
That's some talent, yeah.
Don't hit yourself in the face.
Man, I'm a big hit at parties, yeah. Big hit at parties.
Now show the same thing with the dick.
Okay, guys, stop. No, I can't.
Oh, I can.
He just said this.
With mine?
With mine.
Oh, yours. Try mine. Now, that's the challenge. What is the name of your podcast? Let's just give it. It's called Gan.
No.
Khan Masti.
Khan Masti.
That is how Bappi Lahiri pronounces Gan.
Ghana.
Wait, I'm confused. What was it?
Bappi Lahiri has actually said, बहुत लोगों ने हमारा गान मारा है, बहुत लोग हमारा गान चुराता है, और हम भी बाहर का गान अभी सुनेगा और गाएगा. हम गान गाएगा.
Yeah.
And on that
Gone with the
ethereal
wind.
note,
Gone with the
sentence.
note.
Let us end this moment of pain.
Gone with the wind.
Let's absolutely go with the wind ourselves. You, lucky viewer on Comedy Central, got to see not one comic today, but 2.
Yes.
Sorry, Jose, but only he and me are
I know
comics.
you're talking about just
You were
Suresh.
basically a
I thought
podcast.
he was
I
gonna
thought you were just
I'm
Suresh.
sorry about that.
I was going to say, both of them have not come as yet.
Stop it. Don't try to be comedians. It's terrible.
yeah,
It's a
they're
terrible
not
thing.
funny.
Okay, guys, stop talking. That's enough. Let me talk now. As you notice, there's not a sound from the two of them because they feel hurt. Comedians are very sensitive people. We'll take a break. We'll come back. Lots more on Cyrus Says. I hope. Suresh and Josie, thank you for coming.
Thank you for having us, Cyrus. And
Why
I
are you
want...
clapping for yourselves?
Yeah, obviously, because
I'm
nobody else
clapping
is.
for you.
But I don't get it. Why are we doing this still after so many years? Can't you hire someone to clap? We have a couple of people. We'll get them back in. We'll do that.
You can have it done in post.
Yeah.
There's no post.
No, there's
This
no
is
post.
post. This is the
post.
post of the show. Okay, guys, listen, I want to ask you one very important question, and that is, who the hell are you?
Yeah.
And why are you here?
I was about to ask Suresh that. But before we start, I want to say that it was all Suresh's fault that we're late.
Yeah.
And there was no traffic or nothing.
No, it's a Saturday, the day we recorded this, and against traffic.
Once
But
again.
he's a married man and he has kids and he has to deal with a lot of things.
Yeah.
So you must
For
try to
example, he
understand.
needs to go home once in a while.
Yeah.
It's
Yes.
ridiculous staying with Jose all
But,
night and then, blaming somebody else.
I stay on the other side of the ceiling.
Bed.
So,
The
which
ceiling-
you do not know about.
I do know. Let me tell you, I have been to Andheri.
Oh.
Where do you think I found the silverback mountain gorilla? You can't just go to Hanging Gardens and find these anthropoids. You have to go.
What
you
did
have
you
to cross.
survive on? What did you eat there?
It's all vegetarian now, apparently.
Nice.
Have you
Malwa
ever-
Hill is all vegetarian. By the
Have
way.
you ever been
Why
to
he's drinking
Kandivali?
water on my show? You can't do that.
Oh,
You're not allowed to do that?
No, you're not.
No, seriously.
No.
sure.
What the hell kind of show
I'll
is
just
this?
see what he's been drinking.
Can you
just
make
checking.
water effects to tell people that it's true? Because now it's just so. That's just flapping your butt cheeks is not going to help. Can you do something more than that?
That's
Suresh?
the worst water.
He's the laziest comic talent in the world, right? Even doing a water shot is like, nah, not for me. Boys, let's talk about you for a second. The great partnership, as we say in Hindi, Jodi. So,
Test match.
Yeah, test match. So it began with Red FM. Let's go back quickly and talk about
Yeah, Red FM.
Red FM. So Jose, you were first on it.
Yeah, I was already doing a terrible
You were an
show in the
Axelite, so you were
afternoon.
involved with Red. No, that's not
No,
why it's
not
called
that
Red.
kind of
No,
thing.
right.
But I was doing a terrible show in the afternoon.
You don't have to say terrible show. I
No,
only
it was.
feature people with terrible shows. We keep our standards the same. We don't change.
I was doing like lists about the top 10
Laundry.
heroines in Bollywood and all.
Top 10
No,
heroes.
but no,
And
we
there
were,
are only
we were
6.
English, we were English that time.
It was English.
Yeah, English.
So you had to say Hindi names in English. How do you say Amitabh Bachchan in English? I mean, that's tough. How do you do that?
You just did.
I did?
Yeah.
Let's do it
That's
together.
normal.
Amitabh
Bachchan.
There are other ones
Very
like
good.
Arjun Rampal and all. That's different.
That's in another language altogether. We haven't got the language. Prakriti.
Yeah.
It's
So
not
this
there
guy
anymore.
showed up at the radio station.
Who, Rampal?
No.
Why do you mention Rampal?
Suresh Menon, not
Suresh,
Rampal, yeah.
you're pointing to him. People are listening. How am I going to explain to them what you're talking about? You can't
you.
point and have a conversation.
For you, I'm just being specific.
Yeah.
You might think the other guy.
We have listeners. I was lying. There are people.
Okay, three
Yeah.
of them.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, I'll be
we are
honest.
a quality
The
audience.
I'll be honest. The reason I point at Suresh Menon when I say Suresh Menon is just people know that this is. They might think it's Roshan Abbas.
Yeah.
Why, they sound alike?
They look so much like
No,
each
no,
other.
But
Roshan's
nobody
got a-
can see them. This podcast is not being shot. Will you stop it? The man doesn't understand technology. He's the first guy on Twitter. Jose, you own Twitter India, am I right?
No. What
You have some
rubbish.
1.5 million followers.
No. I have like. I don't bother.
He's
about how
known as
many
one of
Don't
followers
be
I have.
modest. Tell us the truth. How many
I'll
followers?
he can't
Yeah.
speak about himself.
Look,
Let me
I-
speak.
You speak.
I don't bother.
But you are
about
Roshan Abbas,
how
Arjun
many
Rampal or
followers.
Suresh Menon? Just
Right now I'm Sachin.
Sachin. Okay, Sachin, what is Jose's problem? Tell us the truth about his Twitter account. It's huge.
Yes, definitely. He has got. He's called a Twitter influencer, and he's quite big on Twitter, and people really love him. And he's got
What's
a
a
lot of
Twitter?
followers.
Sachin?
Influencer.
Sachin, can you be normal again? And can you answer this like an adult? What is influencer? What does that mean?
Exactly. Even I'm trying to find out what
Please, yeah,
Twitter
this is
influencer
so
is. So a
embarrassing.
lot of
What are you
people.
Is it like Lalit Modi in IPL? Like, does he, shadow, cast a shadow?
Okay, he's like Dhoni.
What is this fixation with Dhoni? If I ask you to name a camel, you'll say Dhoni. What color is the sky? Dhoni. You
Dhoni.
gotta stop the Dhoni things.
Generally, Dhoni. I'm just
What are you
supporting
wearing,
that boy.
Dhoni?
Yeah. God. Coming back, who are you right now? Because we need to clarify. You are...
I'm Arnab right now. Please
You're
tell me.
Arnab.
Talk to me, sir.
He's a sick man.
Yeah.
Let
I'm
me
always-
speak,
No
sir.
wonder you
Let
don't
me
go
speak.
home. There's no home to go to.
Actually,
You
before
don't know who
leaving-
you are.
No, before leaving my house, I decided I'll be Arnab only because then I won't give you a chance to speak.
No.
Oh no, sir, let me
But
speak.
we'll
sir.
edit you
Let
out.
me ask you, Jose. Please, let's
I have
make
an
this
engineer
faster.
there. We'll edit it out.
Let's talk on Cyrus right now, sir. Yeah, please come in, sir. What do you have to ask us?
Jose,
Arnab,
shall we allow him to do this?
I don't know. It's your
I don't mind
podcast.
because
It's
we
your
can
podcast.
kill 40 minutes with him just going on shouting.
Yeah,
I have no
yeah,
problem.
yeah.
Because
come
my
in,
producer
Arnab.
is very happy as long as you say energy.
Yeah.
Not
Come in,
energy.
Arnab. Come in. I'm reporting
Come
to
in.
the field. I'm
It's
Maruf.
not that kind of show.
Yeah,
don't-
Maruf, what's happening right here? Where are you,
Maruf,
Maruf?
Arnab, stop it. Calm down.
We're on Cyrus's podcast.
Oh my goodness.
More importantly,
How's it out there?
make sure
Is
you're
it like
not-
Afghanistan all over
Make
again?
sure you're not on Cyrus. That's all.
I've known Cyrus for 6 years and I've said totally 6 sentences to him.
Oh my goodness. I know him.
Including this one.
I known him for 15 years and he has let me speak only one sentence.
But I don't know who you are because you won't tell me who you are. Who are you? Are you Arnab? Are you Sachin? Make up
Have
your
you-
mind.
have
It's
you
like,
met
it's
the
like,
real
it's like
Arnab?
having my 12-year-old son here. Except my 12-year-old son is taller.
And older.
Yeah, maybe, perhaps. We'll find out one day.
So anyway, I met this guy at the radio station. He showed up for some random work.
Who?
Suresh Menon.
The actual Suresh
Actual
Menon.
Suresh
Yeah,
Menon
yeah,
shows
yeah.
up
Who
over
now
there.
sounds like this. Can you just say hello?
Yeah, hello, hi.
That's
his
the real
real
Suresh voice.
Yeah, that's me, that's
Sounded
me.
like Amitabh.
Oh, Mike, thank you
Young
so much.
Amitabh.
You're welcome.
Nice to be here, sir. Yes, please continue.
Please
And,
continue.
the
Now
then-
Bengali Amitabh, but still good. Works for me. Go on.
The then program director put him into the studio and said, "Why don't you guys just like jam or whatever?"
But why was he there?
He was there for I don't know to like.
I was actually
fix
there
the
because I had a
copy
deal with Red FM that time to do Angry Ganeshans, which became
Can you
quite-
give us a remind people, because that was
One
quite a
second.
path-breaking.
blast from the past.
We have the facilities
have money?
to actually put music there and a
See, the
sting
thing is,
there.
we don't
He's
have
rich.
that.
He's
You,
rich.
Jose, it's not MTV.
He's from South Mumbai. He's got a lot of money.
Yes, my producer's from Malabar Hill. We have the budget.
Okay,
Don't worry.
Malabar
Cool,
Hill.
sorry.
See,
Malabar Hill.
Malabar Hill. And you know what I hate is the people who call it Malabar Hills. It's one small little hill which is getting less and less. It's almost like Malabar jump now. It's just like 3 feet.
Malabar.
Malabar.
Speed breaker.
You're a Malbari, by the way.
Yes, yes,
Come back,
yes.
come back, come back. You were saying Hoji.
I said, हाँ,
हाँ,
हो गया
okay.
ना.
मैं Angry Ganeshan बोल रहा हूँ. Today we are on Cyrus's show, and thankfully that fellow let us answer some questions. Otherwise, Cyrus is only talking and talking, not letting the other people talk. We want to know what is happening in the country. I feel all of us should be study. The country needs studies. That's all we need. Angry Ganeshan.
Ganesh Bhai, if I may interrupt, you sound a lot like Arnab's dad. It sounds to me almost like there's another ancestor somewhere and he came from the south. That's the only difference, but he's still angry. Yeah, that means you gave birth to Arnab, who's now on TV. Because Ganeshan predates it. Well, Ganeshan is 2001 or something, and Arnab
Yes,
came on TV much
2002
later.
or something.
Right,
2002. So you guys are the originals.
But did Arnab
you are the
come
mother
later?
and father of Arnab in a sense.
What was Arnab doing before he was Arnab on TV?
He was in your stomach because you're the mother. If he's the father, you know.
I think
No,
Arnab
not
was a
this Arnab.
salesman. He could have been a salesman.
Which
selling
Arnab are we talking about?
Vacuum
Real
cleaners.
Arnab.
Very common name.
Real
Real
Arnab.
Arnab.
Real Arnab.
Why are
Vacuum.
you pointing to your thigh? I don't understand what you guys are
I
doing.
just come back from Thailand. Yeah.
Oh my God.
All joke.
Insulting bloody fuckers. Okay, boys, you wasted your time. So you all did one show together by mistake. Is that what basically
Kind of,
taken
yeah,
as-
just
Kind
like
of, yeah.
by chance.
And you didn't know each other before that?
No.
And
I
how-
didn't know him after that also.
No, but now very good chemistry I can see. I've never seen two guests with such big followings and big bodies of work in a sense who sit on one chair together and do a show. And you know, I mean, I'm really, I wish I could shoot this and show people, but it's beautiful. It's your love
thank you.
and
Thank
chemistry.
you.
It's lovely. And of course, you can take your lips off each other now and actually talk to me.
And those are nipples. Yeah.
I'm so sorry, but what can I tell? They're also puffy. I can't tell from here. I've never seen a man with 5 nipples before. Jose, I got to tell you. I wish we shot
Shirt
this.
back on.
Oh, that's just a what?
All right. No, sorry.
Extra one.
The water's on my shoulder. Don't do that. It's called my face. Can we get back to talking about your great growth? So he, of course, became... Suresh started this show with Sajid, no?
Yes, I used to work a lot with Sajid. We used to do this countdown show together called Ikepika on Z Cinema.
Which made a world record of 10,000 episodes or something.
Yeah, seriously.
Of course,
And we-
whatever Sajid says, we have to minus
research and all
50%.
that,
So it's
Cyrus.
5,000.
No, 10,000. Actually 10,000. And we never had scripts. That was the most brilliant part. But Ikepika gave me a chance to travel to England.
Okay.
And to US.
They gave you a visa?
Yeah, they gave me a
Amazing,
visa, thankfully,
amazing.
because you are
Yeah.
Ikepika. They recognize
I
us.
can imagine them bending
That
over
was the
immediately.
payment.
Yeah. Forget Shashi Tharoor. This is the Malayali who should be traveling.
Seriously.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah, and I don't have any...
What happened in England? You bring up England, so something must have
Yes,
happened.
so over there we went to England and I thought, oh, great place to travel and all this. So all we did was actually I played a Malbari over there, which was nothing new. And we actually shot on the streets with me and him. He was playing Kader Khan and I was playing Priyadarshan. And we actually had a moment where we both of us just lay on the street at Trafalgar Square and he went to sleep for some time with all these goras walking all across as hey, what's happening, boy? I mean, that's very bad English accent.
But two brown men lying at Trafalgar Square in the middle of the day will scare the hell out of Europeans today.
So
But do you have bags around you?
Nothing. We just slept there. We had a bucket and we had a mug also.
Oof.
Yeah.
Scary.
So
I've never gone to Trafalgar Square in my life after that, I can tell you. All right, Jose, let's talk about your career.
No.
Not much.
What
is it?
career?
What do you want to do? You tell me. No,
do you wanna
you're
know?
now the MTV icon, apparently. You're the
Oh,
most
yeah.
popular face
Youth
of MTV.
icon. Youth icon. Let me correct
Yeah,
you.
because that's
He's a
because
youth
Raghu
icon.
and Rajiv are bald without hair,
They
so
are
obviously they
busy.
can't fit into the youth space anymore.
No, what rubbish. I don't think so. That's
But
too
you
much.
hate Raghu and Rajiv. This is the place
No,
to
I
tell
love
the
them.
truth.
They're nice people.
What about Ranvijay?
Ranvijay is fantastic. You
But
don't like any of
who
these
has a
people?
bigger girl following, Ranvijay or you? You hesitated.
Me on weekends. On other days, I think Ranvijay.
It's me actually. I got a lot of.
You are Ranvijay, aren't you? You lost interest in being the Malbari. No, come back as Ranvijay one time for us. Suresh and Jose are with us on Cyrus Says. We'll come back and talk about service charge, which is the thing that I wanted to talk about.
Wow.
Well, we don't really provide one, so we shouldn't talk about a charge, but in any case, when we come back. on Cyrus Says. I've got. Yes, go ahead. You want to say something, Jose and
We have a
the
few.
other guy?
We have a few stories to share actually about Cyrus before.
We have only a 20-minute show. So
I
how long
know,
will
I
it
know.
take?
You can make maybe something special out of this.
Can you do it
Separately
really
and give it
fast?
to your grandchildren?
You think I'm that old? My son is not a father, contrary to public opinion.
we are amazed to see Cyrus over here with a stand, and he's got papers.
Seriously.
A stand?
everything
That's very vulgar.
that's
I'm so sorry. I'm excited. You're good-looking men.
He's prepped. He has research on Suresh's show and all. Are you okay?
I-
What is happening?
I was a fan of Suresh. I used to cover Sajid with my hand and watch the screen. Let me tell you. Okay, we had a small TV then. Now my hand can only cover Sajid's ear. But that's another story.
But anyway, I want to say that I came into.
Can you stand up and talk?
I could.
Just show respect. Now that I'm a grandfather, stand up. Huh? He comes with his own stand. Who says that to someone? Do you say that to your own uncle when you meet him?
Yeah, I do.
But there was.
God.
I remember when I joined MTV.
Right.
Cyrus was already done and sort of like
Dusted.
done
Put in a
with-
cupboard.
I meant to say done with
The file has been kept.
done
the
with your
legend.
thing, and you were chilling and you just wanted to do your thing or whatever. I don't know what you were doing, but
It's MTV. Nobody knows what they're doing. That's the whole idea of the channel.
but I must say that every single shoot crew that we've shot with, every single person only had like amazing things to say about Cyrus, and everybody would only be like, "Oh, we love that
Just
guy."
can you say that again slowly because this should be clear. Producer, if you're
No, I'm
listening,
not-
clear.
I'm not
And
saying
can we
this-
slow mo sound? I don't know how that works. Slow mo reverb.
One second, I can give.
no, it's-
Can you give- yes.
Sorry.
Lovely.
I'm-
Bird noises. In the
I'm
back.
just like you. I can't take a compliment, but it's the truth. I just wanted to tell you that.
yeah.
That is the scene.
But I'll tell you,
and
Alex,
they all still ask about you, like as if I should know you, because everybody felt like I replaced you.
So that was what you were trying to say. All this unnecessary backhanded compliment just to say I replaced you.
Please tell Cyrus we love him, and where is he, and here with this time.
Where is he? Why do they really care?
As in, why
no
are
one
you
has
not-
called
why-
once in 7 years. And now where is he? Huh? When my father was in hospital, where were those people? When my wife went to Hyderabad and gave me 1 month freedom with other women, where were those people's wives?
The other,
Where?
the other amazing Cyrus Says story I want to share with you is when we were shooting a laptop ad together.
Oh God.
You and me. I know you don't remember. I'm sure maybe you kind of do.
Barely remember you, Jose. I'm trying. It's Alzheimer's. It's not your fault. I've got
And
pictures.
So Cyrus came in saying, "Look, guys, I need to leave by 4 o'clock because I have an event at 6 o'clock." He
A
was
clear
obviously
lie.
lying.
We
Because
all
you wanna
know.
just go
We
home.
do events. Nothing starts at 6. A clear lie. Go ahead.
So he says, "You know what? I have to fucking go. Whatever happens, you guys finish. And if you don't finish by 4 o'clock, I'm leaving anyway." So everybody said, "Yeah." And you know what? So like nothing starts on time. Everybody's pacing up and down. Cyrus is saying, "Come on, guys. Okay, let's just get this done. I have to go. 2 o'clock." Then we start shooting, and while we're shooting, they're wasting tons of time. Here, this and that, and now we're at 3:55. And there's 5 minutes left, and Cyrus is going, "Look, guys, I have to leave in 5 minutes, and I have an event." And he kept on telling them this, and so they kept on rolling. Sir, yeah, last shot, sir, last shot. Just say the line, sir. So Cyrus is doing the line, and it's now 4 o'clock, and Cyrus has started moving out of the frame.
Wow.
So he's moving out and delivering the line and saying, so yeah, this laptop is something, whatever the script was, and he's moving out of the frame and running away, and they're shooting this also, and then he left, and they said, "Thank you, sir."
So it's like the end of a 2020 game. Last over, 5 balls, and we just we got over the line right at the end. And
Oh
this is
my
the
God,
same script
man.
taken by Liam Neeson for Taken. If you
Oh,
see,
yeah.
it follows the
Very
same
funny.
story completely.
But straight up, that's like
Thanks,
Amitabh
brother.
Bachchan.
Thanks, brother.
Bump it.
Beautiful.
Explosion.
Beautiful. They can't see that you've taken off your pants and are saluting me. They think it's weird.
One more. You
What
can
pants?
space this out through the episode.
No, go ahead. If you're praising me, we'll never get that again.
This is
We'll
people
use
need
it-
to-
we'll
people
use it
need to
over
know
years.
this shit.
Over years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you remember the time we went hopping over to all these newspaper?
Yeah. Some sort of
what do we do?
promotion for something.
For something, I don't know
Yeah.
what it was.
And
Okay,
you had to go and talk to
and
people,
I
yeah.
just joined
Yeah.
MTV,
Yeah.
and that this was right after one of the clients said, "What is this rubbish?
Yeah.
Who's this guy? Why is he on the channel and all?" Because they saw
About me?
me.
Oh God! Because after 15 years, if he said that, really, that would be
So
terrible.
they're like, "What is this guy doing on the channel? He's terrible." And like
But how do you know he said that?
No, the client. This was much before. Some client. This was just happened.
Was
to
the
me.
client MTV or somebody else?
No, the client was
sorry,
somebody
sorry.
else.
Oh, I hired a guy and then abused him. Yeah.
They at that point they were like, they hated me Okay, they were like, "What is this rubbish?" And I just joined MTV.
Jose, you have a lot of complexes and pain here, man.
Let the truth.
No,
Yeah,
so
come
check
on,
this
yeah,
out.
please.
If you want to cry, Jose, this is the show.
I'm already crying.
Suresh, hold him tight. Yeah, go on.
So wonderful stuff happens. They say, we hate this guy, please get rid of him, blah, blah, blah. And we had to reshoot that whole thing. This has just happened to me. And then we do this thing where you and me go to the different newspaper houses and we were promoting something. We would, what is that cartoon character, right? No. it's nothing
Suresh. Sorry.
Oh,
You're
it's
just
Nickelodeon,
throwing
Nickelodeon
things at me.
character. So anyways, we're doing this stuff and I had just joined. Nobody knows me. I look like I work at all those places. I look like
I look like the security guard. What is MTV thinking? They sent two of us.
I look like I was in housekeeping. So anyway, so people were, Cyrus would be walking up and stuff and we'd be doing our thing and all and every single time, and he didn't have to do this, but Cyrus would keep pushing me to the front and saying, "This is Jose, by the way, new VJ at MTV." And they were like, "Oh yeah, oh fuck."
See, I've been saying I'm a beautiful human being. And it's taken us 43 years to find someone to say the same thing.
Yeah. And right after that, I saw him beat on an old lady.
That was
Where
Saukar.
She was trying to
Saukar has a
cross
very
the
bad
road,
physique.
and she cut him off. And
Cyrus
he beat her
Saukar
to
has a very strange physique. He's like an old crow bent now because he's 6'3" and no spine.
No, but
these things happen, Jose.
Respect, Mr.
Respect. They can't see what we're doing again,
Yeah.
but basically we're three
We're
men.
fist bumping.
Fist bumping and now
Air fist
exchanging
bumping.
numbers and night plans. So,
You strangely, even I worked with Cyrus on MTV.
oh God, now I'm getting bored. This is
seriously.
the most
You
boring
remember?
show. I have the two best comedians.
We have two episodes where one episode is purely about Cyrus.
Cyrus,
and this
yeah.
is about
It's supposed to be a fiction show.
You're not even paying us money and we're praising you.
Nobody's paying anybody money now. Stop that.
okay.
We'll discuss that later.
Get to your story. You have 30 seconds.
That's done. I'm done.
So
man.
Cyrus
That's all
and
No, never again for you.
Cyrus and me are doing the show for David Polycarp.
Oh, don't take David's name. David was a producer from the past who took 18 days to shoot one line. Oh, God.
So we did that.
I'll tell
Play
you,
for
I
Kidnap.
had hemorrhoids after shooting with Polycarp and it was less painful. I remember this because I told my mother, whatever I'm feeling here is not as bad as the shoot. And she said, really? And then she asked me to apply every time I go for a shoot to apply the same Pylex cream. Even though I didn't have even though I didn't have hemorrhoids.
That's not a real.
So I'm
nice.
shooting for this. So the first time
If you
meeting
really love me,
Cyrus-
Jose, will you apply?
No, you have to listen to this. So they call me up and say, tomorrow you're shooting with Cyrus. He's MTV VJ and all that. I'm an extra actor.
So you were like,
Kabhi
yes, Cyrus
Ramesh,
Saukar, yes.
Yeah.
You were working with that other channel.
ETC after
ETC?
that. ETC after that. So before this. So then they start shooting and Cyrus walks, I have to go. So in the morning, and we're shooting somewhere in VT, I remember this clearly. And he's playing a cop. And I'm playing a guy whose mother has been
That's like
kidnapped.
Cyrus comes for a 2 o'clock shoot at 2 o'clock. He says, I have to go.
Yeah, at 3 o'clock he leaves.
But I'm on time. Jose.
Yeah,
But he's on time.
He's always on time.
I'm like a period. I don't skip. I'm there. Sorry, you were playing the role of a mother who's dying.
No, I was playing the role of a guy who's come to complain that his
Mother's
mother is
kidnapped.
kidnapped. And Brocha ko line one diya tha. David Polycarp had given him some Hindi lines, of course.
And probably more than 2, which is my capacity.
I'm in the same space as you, so I totally understand how traumatic it
7,
is.
by the way, in English is also not happening. 7 is just too ambitious. Unless it's numbers.
What is this crap? Okay, let's go. Okay, done. Tumhara kya hua? 5 minutes we're done. And then Natasha, that time she told me that we would like you to join MTV and all that stuff. But
what happened?
English is not good. So anyway, you try to you go and have a haircut.
But what's wrong with the English?
So I don't know. So anyway, I went to have a haircut and she told me you have to go to this person. So I go again somewhere in Kemp's Corner to this.
Basically, she didn't think you were beautiful enough, Baba. Don't blame the language.
Yeah, that time, I had to spend some 200 rupees getting a haircut. And 200 bucks those days were like
This
4 days of
explains
travel
the-
to
200
town
bucks
gone.
today means you'll be cutting your own hair. Literally.
I don't have
So
any
you had a
hair to
fancy
cut.
haircut and you came back and you didn't join the channel?
I didn't. They said you have to go for the VJ auditions and all. I said, sorry, I can't do that. I left.
Okay, I just want to give
So
a...
that's how Cyrus Saukar was
At
taken
least he
because
got
I
the
didn't
haircut.
A quick reminder, you're much better looking. A
Yeah.
quick reminder to everybody, this was a comedy show until the emotions started pouring out of my two friends.
Gina Aisi ka naam
The
hai.
one thing I didn't want, my producer says, let's have comedians on. We have two emotional people. They've come here and decided to destroy my career and the show with a tragic story after another tragic story. But we'll take a quick break and come back and then we'll put them on the spot with some topics.
I want to talk about the time my uncle passed away.
I was there. What I didn't like was you standing on the body and flapping your hands and saying, do I look like an albatross? I felt uncalled for. What I also didn't like was that if you can't find a place to pee near the relative. What does that mean? I mean, who does that? What culture? We'll come back. I'm with Jose and who's drinking water all the time for some reason. Kidneys are affected.
You gotta stay
And
hydrated.
Suresh sharing the same bottle. I love the way they hold the bottle in
No lips
enchanting manner.
touching.
And no lips touching. And then whatever happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. We are, of course, in Parel, which is no Vegas from any angle or any lighting, I can tell you. Let's talk about no liquor ban in Maharashtra. And Cyrus says we hit hard-hitting topics that nobody's interested in. No liquor ban in Maharashtra, says the CM, but there are also people asking for a liquor ban. Now, I know that both you boys have consumed alcohol at least once or twice before in your lives. I have seen Suresh at a Bombay Gym New Year's night where one of the funniest lines in literature came out. And I remember the two girls with me laughed so much that they would have slept with him on the spot.
Damn it! What did I say?
You said after midnight and all these guys are pretending to be emotional. Why do we do this, Indians? You know, everybody hugs each other. Like we all love each other. For 3 minutes, the milk of human kindness is passed on. And you came up to me and said, Brocha, now the pressure is off. I thought that was lovely. Now no more. I don't have to hug anyone ever again. Happy New Year. And the way we say it with our ethnic accents, it sounds funny. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. God, I hated that.
Yeah,
Terrible.
alcohol ban.
Alcohol ban.
I want to speak a lot about it because it should never be banned.
Have a drink and speak.
Yeah.
Go on. Tell us, so what's happening? They're seriously considering that. That means we'll become like Gujarat, which means alcohol will be easily available. So think of the good side.
No, one
It's
second.
become more expensive. That's about it. So I'm actually, they should not ban it.
That's it? That's your
That's it.
scientific
because
point.
it'll become expensive. Then we'll have to, hey, let's go out for drinking. Where do we go? Then we have to go out of the country. Then that's very
But
sad.
is it true they're not? I don't think they're banning alcohol.
We'll have to go to Bangkok to drink.
And
then.
Mr. Fadnavis said that it is not possible to do that in the state also.
He's keen on not banning it, but there are lots of people after him.
I read an article where in the same article, they said that they are exploring this ban.
Option.
So to
We
speak.
have 4 states already, 3 or 4 states, so it's a possibility.
Yeah, but apparently the ban is not for all alcohol. It's supposed to be for
The bootleggers.
illicit
Illicit liquor.
Oh, that will work like a charm.
Yeah.
People who don't have stalls and don't
Yeah,
exactly
yeah.
exist.
See, that
don't have
will mean the
receipts.
cops will
that's
make
a
some
hard-
extra
whole
money. That's
different
about it.
debate.
No, but there's a real strong point here that they want to say alcohol is a problem. We have to remove it completely. How will comedians manage? Tell me that. Honestly. Have you
more
seen,
stand-ups.
guys, have you seen your own shows? Without alcohol, it's painful.
It's terrible.
Please,
I know.
Mr. Fadnavis, Minister G, please, don't do this.
I
Yeah,
don't think
please,
he is
yeah.
doing it, but if anybody's thinking about doing something like this, it's ridiculous. Banning anything is stupid. I mean, it doesn't work.
But a couple of things I don't mind.
Like what?
Like men with really long hair. I always, especially when they're balding, you know, men who are 50.
But if
with
they
a big
want to
bald
do it
pate
and they
then-
want to do it for themselves,
But then I
think
feel
it's
like pulling
fine.
the hair from behind like a horse.
You can do it.
And you don't
It's
know
a
how to do
free
that.
country. See what happens. No, but come
What-
on.
What about men dancing with your wife when you're too drunk to notice? I mean, I don't want to ever ban that. That's such a lovely thing. It's the most beautiful thought ever. Jose, what
now
would you
the,
not?
Now
what-
the CM will never listen to us.
The CM is the one guy who never misses this podcast. He
I hope
puts it
so.
on all the time.
Yeah,
and
I
he
will-
he
I will
listens
tag
to
him
old
in
stuff
it.
that we haven't even done. He's that good.
No, I'll tag him on it on Twitter.
Jose,
and
don't
say,
tag
"Sir,
him.
please
Tag
listen to
me
it."
now and tell me what do you want to ban. There must be something you hate. Come on.
Oh my God. I don't know. I think everything is great. I hate parties.
Parties.
People going to parties and like having fun and all.
Are you with ISIS? What exactly is your issue?
I don't want to ban it though. I wouldn't say I want to ban anything, but if you ask if I hate anything, I hate going out. I hate doing
Is
things.
that true,
I like
Suresh?
chilling.
Yeah, he hates to go.
I'd
for
rather
parties.
just-
I want to ban one thing is that they should ban kiddie parties. They should say if
That's
you've
so
got a son
unfair.
or a daughter, please celebrate the birthday in
Nothing
the house
should be
and
banned.
do not disturb the father.
And don't make the father go for the kiddie party.
Seriously,
and sit with the maids who then think he's a servant. And you know, I hear your pain. I hear your pain. It's
Yeah.
just the worst.
Seriously,
And you
man.
know, none of the mothers talk to you. It's
Yeah.
very embarrassing. They never say hi, or is it just me? I'm sitting there, I wait there with my handbag, trying to fit in with my big chest, and all I get is like nothing. They all talk amongst themselves.
We
Nobody-
should ban taxes.
You're not even listening to my ban.
I was just thinking about what
you
should be
already
banned.
you own
Taxes
So you
everyone
want to
wants
ban
ban.
taxes and parties?
Yes.
Are you on some
Not
narcotic
parties.
substance of
If-
any kind?
If
What's
we
the
ban
connection?
if we ban taxes, then it's okay. We can leave the parties alone. But
So taxes you
Oh,
really
taxes
heard.
should be banned.
taxes,
Yeah.
I'm totally for.
Are you talking about the
banning
Lone Star State in USA? Or
taxes?
Sorry.
I think they should. I think they should
in
ban.
Punjab we say taxes only. Haan, bolo, sorry.
They should ban the regulations that put in a ban in the first place. So
What
ban
about
those things.
You think?
Yeah, to ban
Ban
anything that
bans.
says ban.
Okay. What about the Punjabi word for being with your sister in an illicit relationship? Ban.
Leave.
No, can't ban.
ban leave.
What
leave in
will
Hindi.
Punjabis say to each other if you remove one or two of the big words?
Oh shit, man.
Think about this. This is a cultural
chhade
thing.
yaar.
It's going to be hurtful. All right, let's move on to the next thing. Stephen Hawking. Who's interested in Stephen Hawking?
Nobody.
Okay, let's move on.
Poor thing.
No, but he says intelligent aliens could destroy humanity. Does he mean Mexicans in America or does he mean something else? What is he trying to say?
I think he's talking very badly about Ram Gopal Verma.
I think he means...
So you call Ram Gopal Verma intelligent.
Alien.
Dude, Stephen Hawking is brilliant. He's awesome.
And he's a basketball player.
Yeah.
That's not even funny. That's rude. Go on.
But the story is that he wants to communicate with aliens. He believes that aliens will come here and
There's
kill us.
intelligence and there's also a little bit of...
I feel there's a hope that aliens will come in and sort
But
of
why
make him
not
walk
asking
again.
the
But
obvious
come on.
question? Has he lost his mind?
No, how can
What is
we-
he talking about?
How can we be so vain and think that we are the only intelligent creatures in the
Correct,
universe?
yeah,
There
yeah.
has to be another bunch
Yes.
of idiots somewhere else destroying another planet.
Yes.
Who look like us?
Who look like us and behave like us.
Maybe they don't look like
Why
us.
do they always have to be green? I've watched a lot of
Yeah,
science
seriously,
fiction. My issue is they're always
Yeah, why are
green.
they always green?
It's like the Ramsey Brothers production is actually science fiction in the
We'll
future.
give it a big head.
Yeah, they could look like KRK.
Big head, there are lots of people. Saif has a big head, for example.
Yeah, dude. Yes,
Yeah.
thank you, man.
Saif, welcome to the show.
Yeah, hi, Cyrus. How are you doing, man?
I'm good,
Yeah,
I'm good.
man.
I just want to say, I was a little upset that you didn't invite us for the wedding.
Sorry, yeah, budget problems. I couldn't invite the whole world.
But why?
Yeah, dude, like I had to really cut it, short, I couldn't have a lot of people coming.
Okay, how
there.
did you sort out that fight you had in Shalimar, in Taj Mahal Hotel? And
Dude, I just paid him some money, yeah. Yeah.
who was the guy?
Forgot his name, yeah. Some actress's husband, yeah. Old guy. Pretty old.
whatever
bald.
name-
Most actresses have old husbands.
Whatever name you say, that character comes out. I have a theory that he has there's something
So,
wrong
okay,
with him.
who's that person?
I don't know,
His
dude.
name is Praveen Malik. Go ahead.
Oh, Praveen Malik. Oh, no, I don't know him.
I meant like Bollywood celebrities.
You mean like no names? You have to write a name and put it on a piece of paper and give it to me. I don't know.
Bollywood celebs and
Rajesh
Cyrus.
D'Souza.
So you don't understand. We live in our South Bombay world. We know Shamak Dawar. Is Shamak Dawar considered big?
Like Cyrus would have seen
Suresh, can you do-
Bajrangi Bhaijaan if Shamak Dawar was playing Salman's
I
role.
couldn't see Bajrangi Bhaijaan because I had to spend 1 week pronouncing it. Please understand.
But you'd have gone and seen first day first show if Shamak was the hero.
Shamak was. I don't know why they changed it in the end. Apparently he can't find Pakistan without the driver. Something like that. Okay, quickly boys. Tell me, Stephen Hawking, intelligent aliens could destroy humanity, but let's search anyway.
Yeah, so he wants to look for aliens, even though he feels that if we do contact them, they will come here and kill us.
Hey.
And I think that makes him even more brilliant because he wants to get rid of humanity because we are scum.
Listen, I think...
Listen, I want to say, Suresh, next time don't bring Jose. I'll tell you, I'll give you 5 reasons. One, he seems always angry. Two, he seems very emotional. See,
normally
he thinks
not like this.
he thinks I really helped him. But if I did really help him,
Which can never be true.
It can't be true. You know me.
That old lady is lying in a pool of blood. You beat her
Yes,
to death.
yes.
I think Stephen Hawking wants to find out about aliens because maybe he has understood the way they have sex. So it may just be about touching.
See, it just has to be about sex.
Okay,
Yeah,
but-
so you can't move really. Really can't move
Okay,
too
now
much,
you've changed the conversation completely, but we'll give you a chance.
interesting.
So biologically, and you're a biologist of sorts and a geneticist, you're saying that he wants to find out about the sexual process
Yes.
amongst aliens.
Which could make it easier for him to have
Why
sex.
would you come up with the finger touching thing?
Because I
Is
think-
there a problem with your love life?
No, I was talking Hawking.
Because there are doctors.
this something
Mahindra
we'll talk
Vatsa, the sexpert in Mumbai, there are
I'm
page
a huge
32, the
fan. I
greatest
gotta
Indian,
yeah.
bar none.
Seriously.
And I'm counting all the great kings that we had before in the past.
Mahindra Vatsa, love him.
Superb man. And he's always said, if there's a problem, you can go to a sexpert and they have medicines and they can do psychological things
Seriously.
and get you better looking women or whatever
Stay
it takes.
on, Viagra, Viagora.
Yeah, whatever.
Forzest,
Vigo Max.
Vigo Max.
Yes.
But can you
Yeah.
imagine all those people writing to Dr. Mahindra Vatsa and you know how long it takes for the letter to show up in a newspaper and
by which
then
time
they
they've
read it-
lost their erection, is that what
Yeah.
you're saying?
or the boils have grown bigger on their ass. You know?
I like to read about the older men telling what their problems. I'm
Suresh, have you
76, I just went
Suresh,
through
have you
an
written
operation.
in ever? Tell the truth.
Twice.
What was your sex problem?
Suresh filters the questions for them, I think.
No, I
Go
don't.
on.
I never written to him because
No?
I'm a Malayali, yaar, Honi Malbari.
So you know everything there is to know about sex. Hence
Obviously.
you're trying to find aliens with Stephen Hawking.
For Stephen Hawking, I'm just.
I don't want to
find-
make
because-
fun of Stephen Hawking, but I'm thinking if he thinks that sex should happen with fingers, it's probably going to suit him a little better. So, I mean,
Yeah,
that makes
seriously,
sense.
because he's
Yeah.
like he can't move too much.
Well,
Yeah.
let's not get into that.
Yeah, seriously,
be
why
mean?
we should- we should
I
not be
mean,
rude at
neither
all.
can Kunal, my friend, and he's no genius.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we'll take a break, then we'll come back while we ponder over the universe. And if aliens are out there, where would they be? I think West Bengal. I look at West Bengal as an area where they'd land first.
Where they should go, I completely agree.
You don't think they're there already?
I think they're in
West or East?
West.
I've got a wedding in
This
the
might
evening.
explain the color of the water. But
in Andheri or in Bengal?
both.
Was there a connection? They built the railroad. I wasn't looking. What happened? Tell me. We'll take a break. We'll come back.
Cyrus Says, Ask Me Anything. If you want Cyrus to answer your questions on air, send an email to whatcyrussays@gmail.com. If you send us a link to a sound file on SoundCloud, we'll even play you asking the question in your own voice. And that's what Cyrus says.
Yeah, we're with Jose and Suresh who are making fun of me, thinking I don't know what's happening on my own show. Just because they've removed their clothes and are sharing one towel and playing with this young child in front of me.
No. Uncle.
Ha, Bunty, bolo. Why are all the young children called Bunty? Something we will find out later in the program. But for now, it's called AMA, Ask Me Anything. And it's all questions about you because we sort of told people you were coming on the show. So as usual, we got questions. When you're
What is
not
your phone number?
Oh,
you're going to ask us?
No, the thing is that when I say that I'm on the show, we'll get no questions and I write them myself.
Then
But
ask
now
me
we've got
anything.
questions.
Okay.
We've got questions. So you're not lying. The first is from Valdez. Valdez. V-A-L-D-E-Z.
Yeah.
And he says, why Lendux? Why? What the hell is Lendux?
What does that even
Exactly.
mean? What
Why-
does he mean by why Lendux? Why?
Why Lendux?
Why Lendux? Why we talk about Lendux?
You know what a Lenduk is,
you know,
right?
do you
You're
know?
going to tell me?
Yes.
Okay.
So you experienced turtle heads, right?
What if I said no? Will it take a very long time to answer
It's
this
like
question?
he's speaking in
No,
code or something.
One second, then I have to explain to you
You're-
visually,
it's
which
like
you can
interrogation.
see.
I don't know
But
what
people
you're
are listening.
saying.
One
See, the
second,
thing
people
I
are-
didn't kill him. Stop it.
Yeah, Lenduk is something that comes out of your bum hole. That's the morning shit. So, like this is a turtle head. It peeks out but goes back inside.
Oh.
And that's Lenduk. So
Suresh
this
is-
Lenduk comes out in one piece.
I think Suresh is what
It's
you
a
call
slim-
a shit connoisseur.
Yeah.
Looks like it.
Yeah,
But
seriously.
how do you get to see that?
Oh, he's
Do you-
obsessed with it.
Do you actually go under somebody when they're doing it? How do you know
No,
this is
no.
happening?
I watch my own.
You have a
Lenduks.
mirror below
Yeah,
your
no,
mouth.
I'm
He's self-taught.
I'm self-taught. In fact, I also do great service
You're
to the community.
self-pot in a sense, yeah.
Yeah, I can read your pot and say what the day has in store for you.
So why Lendux? I think it's a criticism. Good. So why Lendux? He's upset. Valdez.
Why? Well, Valdez Lendux is very
We
important
talked about
because
this, because it's
seriously.
real. Everybody experiences it. Why? It's your friend.
And you say don't hide from pain and problems or whatever.
Exactly. When the Lenduks come out
Is
in
it
a
good or
peaceful
bad?
manner, it's when the Lenduks come out in a peaceful manner, you're in a good
We should
place.
stop shying away from shit, basically.
Yeah, exactly.
It's
because
like
they made a whole
after
film on
sex,
it.
this is the next thing you want to tackle. Our
See,
society.
I don't
let
wanna
me
tackle it
speak
or
over
anything.
here once again. We
Yes,
talked
please.
about Amitabh Bachchan having a dump on a podcast, Kaan Masti. And seriously, they made a film out of it, Piku, and we have not got credits for that. And we not even sued them.
I completely disagree with this. I want nothing to do with
I
this.
have
sorry.
such a good
I don't
relationship with Mr. Bachchan. Why am I being dragged into
Yeah,
it?
he loves Cyrus.
If he
But
doesn't
in fact,
acknowledge you
I
in
protest.
public,
I protest
he says
just
hello.
because I'm a nice South
But you
Indian
know
doesn't
what?
mean you can take out my ideas and make films out of that and not pay us.
I've always
5
felt like
crores
Mr.
at least.
Bachchan. I've always felt like Mr. Bachchan loves Cyrus more than me. He's always treated me like a.
Wait, but listen, all the three of us are actually interviewed
Anyway.
by Mr. Bachchan at some point of our
Yeah,
time.
yeah,
right?
that's what I'm saying. So I've always felt like Bachchan
Why are you
loved
upset
him-
about everything on the show?
Loved him more than me.
Oh, so you got a problem
I
with
grew
Bachchan
up
because
wrong.
But
Abhijit-
Abhishek likes you more. Does that
No,
help?
no, neither of them like me. I don't know what the deal is.
Oh, God.
Damn it.
What about you, Suresh?
Who?
Well, after what you just said, I guess you don't call him up for another 3 days, please.
Yeah, but I don't have his number.
Don't. Let's move on to question number 2, which is an onus 3R. That's not the question. That's
It sounds like NSC.
I think you want it upside
it
down.
may be the name of the book. I don't know. Jose and Suresh Menon, motorcyclists are epitome of stupidity. What do you think can be done to put some sense in them?
Okay.
Jose, you ride a bike?
I will explain what has happened.
Huh.
You ask people to ask us anything.
Right.
Right? Nobody asks us anything, and
Right.
these guys just send us random tweets. And this guy, some random guy with a motorcycle. Correct? Am I right?
I think you hit the
Thank
nail
you.
on the head, except that we've discussed motorcyclists because I hate them. It's another story. Suresh, you ride a bike?
I used to.
With
now
a
I-
driver or on your own?
No, on my own.
They're
I
not
used to
all
ride.
bad,
Now I
yeah?
don't.
They're not all bad. I mean,
They're all
some
bad.
of them
No,
are...
There's
my-
no good
my
cyclists.
problem is
the only
that-
good cyclist is a dead cyclist.
Yes,
It's true.
today
rubbish. Cyclists-
motorcyclists do not
All
follow-
cyclists, bicycle and motorcycle.
No, I'm as a South Indian, I completely abhor the motorcyclists of today.
Correct.
And they do not follow signals. They go triple seat. They should all be arrested and
One
they should be
ways,
put behind bars for 2
ways.
years.
Yeah, but that's
They
a
cut
sweeping
you.
statement. No,
They
there
make
are
the
other
rickshaws
ones
look
also.
One
nice.
second, they start inching towards the signal even before the signal
Calm down,
becomes
Suresh,
green.
calm
So,
down.
no, this is something very
You have
close to my
not
heart.
been in the kind of painful situations.
Yes.
What are you
Mr.
talking
Lendak, let me tell you that we have been in. These motorcyclists have attacked us, they've hurt us,
Yes.
they made us look small in front of our own children. when they go over your foot and you can't catch up with them because you can't stand anymore. You know what the kind of pain is?
I think we're talking about specific motorcyclists though.
Specific, not all of them.
Yes, those on 100cc, the poor ones. Okay, the ones with more money, we're okay with it. If
I
you
used to ride a 100cc bike, so yeah.
But that
the
in
poor
those
one.
days, that was the rich one.
Yeah.
But now we have the 1000cc
Okay.
available. Come on.
Yeah.
What was
But
it?
there's also I've talked about this. Some idiot on a really loud bike that drives through residential areas in Bandra.
He stopped. You stopped, right?
I hope he stops.
Bandra is
Suresh.
on the other side of the ceiling. Just
Right,
explain.
right.
Yeah, for
So
Cyrus.
who's you in a city of 18 billion have found one guy
One guy.
who drives past
One
residential areas,
guy.
and you've located who the
I
guy
don't
is.
know who he is.
It could be one of the actors.
I've been trying to spread this message through everyone's podcast. By the way.
All right, if you're out there, this is a message from us, a social message. There's a guy
Stop it,
in the
stop
Bandra
it.
area, residential areas,
Will
with
be
a
urgent.
motorbike who's going really fast. Please slow down.
There are old people sleeping and children sleeping over here.
if you're,
Stop it.
if you're a member of parliament or right-wing group, carry on. But otherwise, please slow down.
Otherwise it's
Slow
fine.
down.
Yeah, Sohail, Ranbir, I mean, all Chunky Pandey, whoever.
I said
Whoever it
right-wing
is.
group. That includes all of them. Now let's move on to the next. Gopi KGK says, what's each of your new favorite fetish?
Hey.
Jose, you and Suresh, what are your favorite fetishes? I don't know if it's sexual, but
Oh, but that's okay. I like to play with my testicles.
on your own.
Oh, no.
Nobody else is involved.
No, only me. Yes.
I was going to say what a strange question, and then I really what a strange answer.
Well, no, why? Everyone should have a spot in his
Seriously.
testicle.
Yeah.
I just
Freedom
try
of
to
speech.
move them like a pendulum.
This is
That's
the
it.
problem with freedom of
Do you do this in
speech.
public? Do you call people over? How
No,
is it?
inside the bathroom, aram se. I spend
So-
a lot of time just.
Okay, so after lane duck, this is your move upwards.
Yes.
This is how you evolve into a better
Little
human
bit
being.
higher.
Don't encourage
Little
all
bit
this,
higher.
yeah, Cyrus. You're encouraging all this.
Well, it's fine. He's just being open. It's like therapy. He's telling us the
Seriously,
truth.
it's
Okay.
you just
This
touch
is-
your
it is like
testicles.
therapy.
If you touch your testicles, you'll feel an
Okay, one
instant
second.
connect.
1 second.
All
There's
right.
peace in your heart.
You think so?
You're right. I
Yeah,
am
yeah.
But
feeling that.
don't you feel arousal also at some point?
No. Those
That
days
is
are
connected
gone.
to the mind, so then
All
it's
right.
up
Okay.
to you.
Do you have both the testicles, or are we looking at just
Both of them.
both are still
Yeah.
there? All right.
One hangs a little bit higher.
What
I mean,
are
you do not want to know all
It's
the
normal,
details.
it's
What are the names? Have you got names?
Yeah, they are called Ramendran and Surendran.
All right. I hope this has come back to haunt us.
I don't think you should have written the names on them though.
Your name is bigger than your testicle. I mean, that's ridiculously embarrassing. Jose, what is your favorite fetish?
See only R and S.
We've lost all our listeners. I was hoping for so much on this show. Now go on. What's your favorite fetish? And don't tell me his testicles. You can't share the fetish.
He has a little photo frame on his in his bedroom with his own testicles.
But damn it, think of what he does with his selfies.
Those are the grapes I drew when I was a kid. Yeah.
His selfies always have these two
Hey,
things.
1 second, but
Testicles
those are the
selfies.
grapes that I drew when I was in 10th
Oh,
standard.
okay.
Yeah,
Suresh at a party, testicles. Suresh at the income tax office, testicle.
Okay,
Suresh on the road.
his
Jose,
fetish,
come
his
on,
fetish.
fetish, fast,
no
fast.
real fetishes. I've started gardening.
Look, I got to tell you one thing.
I'm
If
growing
you
older.
are veering towards another gender sort of thing, it's not an issue. We are here to help you. Because you cried, you got emotional, you praised me, you've not been funny even for a second, and you got upset with your own lane duck thing, which you've been doing for the last 2 years. You felt ashamed. and now you want to do gardening.
And
ask
ask him-
Suresh.
ask
We're
him
not
what-
feeling comfortable.
Ask him what he's growing.
What are you growing?
I'm growing. I'm trying to grow avocados.
He's got his testicles.
black
and
ones.
You got a metaphor for whatever.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
So it's the same thing basically. So
It's
he's
a very
got-
complete
You
product.
know this.
grows
Nature has
testicles.
been mocking us for years.
Nature's bloody basket.
No, every
Sorry.
every fruit is either mocking your testicles or your bum or your breast.
It's phallic
or your
or
face.
Yeah,
sexual in some
that's
way.
true. That's true.
think
I give you one fruit which isn't.
What's happening there?
This is a difficult
Okay,
one.
chalo. We'll tell you what body part it is.
100%?
Yeah.
I'll throw it at you. You give me the best body part.
Suresh, help me here. Okay.
Yeah,
let's
okay.
go.
Done.
Tangerine.
Tangerine.
What
Don't
is
Google
tangerine?
it. Don't Google it if you don't know what it is.
How does it look?
Breast.
Breast,
Straight
okay.
up.
Have you? It's this
Tangerines,
small.
man. Tangerines, yeah. So,
But it
listen, what kind of
it's good,
tangerines
it's
are you
glorified.
eating? What do you mean this small? How small? It's a like a size
Well,
of
the
a
listener
cricket ball,
can't
right?
understand just from my hand movement, but no.
Cricket ball?
It's smaller than a cricket ball.
But then still,
It's about the size, little more than a squash ball, a little bit around
so
that
different
area.
sizes. People, I mean, squash ball and your testicles.
Chinese.
But you already said breast.
Yeah.
Was it male or female?
But I don't know anything.
Female.
Suresh,
Yeah.
All right. I'll give you a really tough one. You guys are ready?
go.
Jackfruit.
Suresh already tried this. He asked me this. Jackfruit is the texture of your balls.
Why would you? How would you know that?
I'm
I
just
said
throwing it out.
I said jackfruit, not jackass. Come on.
Yeah.
See, we're good at this.
Next,
Very
next.
good. I'll give it really tough one. This will never crack.
Yeah.
Okay? You promise me you answer without hesitating.
I will answer. I need a second.
So
to
you
think
count.
about
It has to happen in 2 seconds.
I need a second to think about it.
No, 1 second. It's got to, because it's got to hit you.
Damn.
It's damn tough.
Okay.
Banana.
Oh, I
come
know.
on.
Breast?
Fingers.
Fingers. You guys
Bunch
are good.
of bananas.
You guys are good. You guys are really good. I like the way you think. It's mostly around the groin area, up and down.
Yeah, strange.
Because of groin boys.
Agal and Pachal. That seems to be the mind. The mind doesn't go anywhere else. Very interesting. Shall I go to the next one?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Boo who asks, how Khan Masti podcast born? There's no indirect
punctuation
article.
is not really
How
important.
long we can expect lifetime?
Well, I think I'm going to live for about 70,
Those good days of
75, maybe
English
80
are meant.
years.
Yeah.
Suresh, how long do you think you're going to be alive?
Another 2-3 years more.
It depends on the testicles, because if they go, he's gone. He's got nothing to do. But coming back, how was it born? You didn't say that.
It was born
Khan
because
Masti.
we were radio links. In between the songs, we were wasting time, and we'd be talking about exactly the texture of Suresh's balls.
The funny thing is always between the links.
Yeah,
It's
between
terrible.
the links.
No one knows the truth.
and not on air.
And not on air.
So then I realized that people were sitting around in the studio and listening to these conversations just to have fun. I said, why not convert it into
So
content?
you're the brain behind the show.
Obviously.
He's just a sex symbol who comes along.
Yeah. I do the voices also, like all that Sachin and Amitabh.
Yeah,
and all, that's me. Like,
that's
watch
you,
this,
that's you.
okay?
It's about time you tell the truth. He started calling himself Arjun Rampal, the liar. Suresh, what the hell do? You play with your
balls.
all day long. All right. So that was how it was born. It became a very popular podcast, and now they make tons of money, and all they talk about is lenduck and testes. And
Only
And
one of
once
those
again,
things is not true.
Yeah, not true, yeah.
The money part.
All right. I'll let you get back to what you do best while I quickly tell you. Please ask Cyrus's favorite lenduck story. Ha 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 ha.
Yeah, Cyrus, tell us
Take
about
no
your
function.
favorite shitting story. Have you had any like weird shitting
See, I'm at an
stories?
age when I don't even know when it happens. Somebody tells me, then they send me away. And then somebody cleans me. So it's totally different, my experience. And I'm at an age where I can't bend and look at anything. So I can't even tell you. I don't even bother flushing because I have no idea. Of course, I live with my wife.
Hey, I got a very
It's very
interesting
good
story to say.
Tell me fast.
But it's about you.
Okay.
You can edit it later if you don't want it. Yeah. So this guy.
It's not in my hands.
Yeah,
Amit
that's
is the
okay.
producer.
Amit,
Kiran is
listen
the
to this
engineer.
carefully. So one day, I'm sure they have experienced this. So
Oh.
Cyrus and me at some 25th
Are we drinking
anniversary party
alcohol?
of... No, yeah, we were. Percept me, but then you...
Oh,
we
yeah,
both
yeah,
along,
yeah.
So we both go to the loo, okay? Then I go and washing my hands, but I realize somebody else also does this.
Did you notice the sound effects?
So then
That's
Brocha...
part of the beauty of playing with your
So
testicles.
Brocha is asking, why do you wash your hands? You don't have to wash. And he didn't wash
I
his hands.
agree.
I don't wash.
Are your testicles that dirty that you need to wash your hands?
No,
Of course
penis,
not.
you're holding a penis and peeing. Na?
I
So one or
completely
two
agree.
You're
drops
not
will-
holding my penis.
No,
You're
no,
holding
I'm-
your penis.
correct.
Why do you have to wash?
But one or two drops will touch your finger, and
If
know,
that
so he
happens,
didn't
you'll
wash
wash.
his hands.
If that happens, you'll
and
I
then I
never
saw
wash.
him shaking hands with David Dhawan after that. So
He doesn't wash
that
either.
explains it.
We peed together. We don't wash. We hug.
Oh no.
We sort of rub a little bit. Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
that
But I
happens.
agree
okay,
with
but
you,
you
man.
found a support in Jose. He also
Yeah,
But you know the other story from that party that I remember is you were picking on Gaurav Kapoor, the anchor,
Oh yeah.
who doesn't drink.
Such
I
a
think we were all
sweet
very
man.
drunk and just irritating him.
What else?
I remember that.
Oh shucks, man. Yeah,
I can't
remember.
remember.
a nice
It sounded
guy.
funny
So
in my
sorry,
mind
man.
when I thought about it, and then nothing happened. Damn it! But he was very upset. He wanted to punch you.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he couldn't raise his arm because you were very strong.
Yeah.
But he threatened you,
Really? Damn
especially when you said touch it. Why do you say that to people? Unbelievable.
Very awkward.
Techno Funky asks Suresh Menon and Jose, please. No, that's done. What if some big Indian celebrity comes out of the closet like Bruce Jenner? Who would it be? I think they want to know if you know about someone who's pretending. Is there anyone? Let's
would
think.
we know?
Anyone in Bollywood who's pretending not to be gay, or we don't know about it, but is obviously gay?
I don't think anyone who's being that obvious. I don't know anyone. No one. Not a single
You still want to
person.
launch your career, right?
Not a single person you could like look
Not
at.
No, but
one,
I
not
think
one.
it's a good,
One.
good
Right.
question because there are chances that what if Amitabh Bachchan came out of the
No,
closet?
stop it. You leave him alone.
Yeah,
You've had a
not
good
Mr.
relationship with that
Bachchan,
man.
bro.
Find somebody else.
But this is a great thought.
But they're small time.
Seriously.
Can I list you smaller actors?
can I have some hairbands today, please?
But how does that
Why?
make you gay? That's
Really? That makes him
terrible.
gay.
A pink underwear if
Haven't you seen Lavaris? There's a whole eunuch section there.
Can I have a pink nightgown,
Too many stereotypes. Will
Sir,
end up
for
happening
whom?
here.
For myself. Mere size ka dena.
I find him very. I didn't find
But
disturbing.
imagine,
No.
but I mean, imagine Amitabh Bachchan in a pink nightgown. Yeah, why not?
Listen, brother, I'm worried about you now. You spend the whole time thinking about what comes out of your bowels, then actually photographing it. Then you spend the rest of the time as a sport, an
Arnab.
actual sport. Let me tell you, it's not a sport, but you think it's a sport. This is not something you can do in the Asian Games. You play with your testicles,
Yeah.
and then you go attack poor Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, who's done nothing to you in his entire life, and you put him in nightgowns.
He
and
owes
say,
me
"Oh,
money."
this- He owes you money, is it?
Yeah.
For what?
For Piku.
For the ticket? What if I pay for the ticket and you leave the guy alone?
Not the
fair?
ticket, not the ticket for taking my idea.
What was the idea?
The idea that he didn't have, he had constipation, and that's what we did on a
You
podcast.
think you came up with constipation?
Yeah,
I disagree with
You
this.
have
We
two
didn't
ideas,
do
what
this.
comes out of your bum and what doesn't.
Please, I
That's
just
your
want-
two ideas.
Mr. Bachchan, in case you're listening, I'm okay with 5
He's
crores.
never going to listen.
Only with 5 crores, I'm okay with it.
You'll get 5 crores and a pigeon. That's what you'll get. Salah. Okay, Saurabh Pant sends a question at Hanky Panky. I think he's the comedian with no hair. He says, Suresh Menon, I want to ask you, Suresh and Jose, all three of you are in the same pod. Will anyone let anyone talk? But he didn't
I don't know
mention my
what
name.
he's talking about.
I don't know
Seriously,
what-
seriously.
what-
I don't know
Whoa,
what
do
he's
we-
talking
I'm not
about.
the kind of guys.
Seriously.
Saurabh,
We'll always allow
please,
everyone.
Saurabh
All we
Pant
got
has
a
a lovely
lovely
head.
head.
That's
Such a
hold
lovely
on.
people.
And I think he has
There's
a
no
wonderful
way we would
bum.
do that.
No, never.
See, this is the
Seriously,
problem
no,
with
that's
Indians. They don't
exactly.
listen at
These
all. They
youngsters
blame us
nowadays,
for
internet,
Everything is
yeah.
fine.
They grow up
Exactly.
too fast. They grow up too fast.
Throw burn
Yeah.
computers.
And slap sperm.
And you don't walk around talking about pants. I want to tell you one last thing before we quit. There's this online trade which has become very big of sperm. Are either of you involved in this?
What?
Online sperm. You sell your sperm online and people
Seriously?
Online?
Damn it.
So, like,
Don't
somebody
look
comes
innocent, Suresh.
One second, where's the website?
Stop smiling, Jose.
I want
Someone
need
comes
some
and
money.
picks it up.
There's no need to open a bottle. Not now. Stop it.
That's my hand. Stop.
Oh,
guys
one
are
second.
disgusting.
Online sperm.
Online sperm. You can sell it. So
Oh,
your
fuck.
stupid idea about lane ducks goes nowhere.
Yeah.
It's just stupid. But
So,
this is a great idea.
what is it
Somebody
called?
thought of actually selling sperm.
Fuck, man, this is damn good.
Why didn't you-
Bigsperm.com. What
This
is it called?
explains why
No,
your
that's
engineer
putting
over there
pressure.
has been moving like that
Flip
for the
sperm.
past 5 minutes.
It's
Flip
just
sperm.
It's
Yeah.
just called sharesperm.com, but you have to pay for it.
Sperm deal. My goodness. Superb,
Yeah. So
Sperm
you guys
deal.
on the wrong track with your
Sperm
potty
cart,
thoughts.
guys.
Sperm cart. Wow, man. Yeah.
And if you do a lot, they call you a sperm whale, apparently.
Do you get celebrity sperms also?
Again, I'm Mr.
No?
Don't go there. Don't go there. Leave Mr. B
Safe
alone.
sperms.
Yeah, no.
Safe
Leave them
for
all.
life.
Sperminator of the month and all.
Sort of never ever write to us again. You've
Yeah,
created
please.
mayhem
Never.
and destroyed our sense of touch and feeling and expression. We had
Sachin
begun with...
sperm, go masturbate.
Stop it! Control yourself. It's not that kind of show. They may one day come on our show. They'll remember this. People are very touchy in India.
Also, that's why
Have you
they
been on a railway compartment? People are really touchy.
Yeah,
I
of
don't
course,
like
I've
it.
been. A lot
Really?
of people, I say the guys, I'll tell the guys behind me, excuse me, sir, we are stopped at a station, stop moving.
So that's how you met Jose, and then
Yeah.
everything worked from there. Okay, so as we end, I just want to say bye to both of you and thank you so much for coming. And I will leave you with the final thoughts each. So, Suresh,
Cyrus,
your time is over.
We are immensely
Jose,
grateful.
Jose? Okay, you're done.
I love
You're done.
everyone.
Guys, thank you for being on the show. You guys are lovely. They're great comedians. Khan Masti is their show. And of course, the biggest Twitter following in India is
Listen,
Jose's.
there's a guy impersonating you on Twitter. I've
Yeah.
been trying to tell
Yeah.
you about
That-
this.
that-
What the hell? What are you doing about
that's
it?
me.
There's
No.
another.
Yeah,
what
there-
is
there
your
are a
Twitter?
few.
What is your Twitter handle?
Mine is Bod Brocha, but there are 3,
There's
4 more.
No, there is one more.
The guy who's doing well is not me.
There's another one with just as many followers. as you have.
Bakra.com. There's one Bakra guy. There are 4.
The Bakra Man. The Bakra Man. That's
Bakra
a
Man.
fake
Yeah,
account.
yeah.
Just confirm it, man. People
It's
have been
confirmed
wanting
it's
to
a fake
know.
account, but the guy's doing really well, so I wanted to carry on for now. And when
Maybe you can buy that
when
later.
there's good money to be made in suing and all, we
I
can.
think it must be Kunal.
Kunal doesn't have the ability to raise his finger. Forget play with his testicles. Although how I know this, it's
Yeah,
sorry for another day, ladies and gentlemen.
So,
Suresh?
Cyrus, thank you so much, and also
Yeah,
thank you
thanks
very
for
much.
having
you
us,
pl-
man. Good fun.
But can you
Yeah.
please end in Malayalam? Because we do have.
seriously?
I don't
listeners from
speak
everywhere.
Malayalam. How can I do
ഭയങ്കര
it?
ഭയങ്കര നന്ദി സൈറസ് നിങ്ങൾ നമ്മളെ ഇവിടെ വിളിച്ചതിന് ഹാപ്പി ഓണം സൈറസിന് വേണ്ടി പിന്നെ അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഒരേ ഒരു കാര്യം നിങ്ങളുടെ
Okay.
ഷോ IBN ലൈവില് ഞാനും
Don't talk about
ജോസയും
his
Oh,
വേഗം
why
Like
happy
that.
Onam? What is the point there?
Malayali, no?
Yeah, but it's not now.
Yeah, it's in August.
It's like a drunk madman.
Yeah, damn it.
There's no need to wish people.
All right.
Okay. Bye bye.
I'm hurt.
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
All views and opinions expressed on this show are not necessarily the views and opinions of the Indus Vox Media Network or any of our show advertisers or sponsors. No animals were harmed in the making of this podcast, obviously.
All right, time to look at the podcast, PAODCAST. It's, we have to push the pun from time to time because it's an audio medium. We can't write it for you. Hosted by the DailyPow.com's Purva Mehra, Pranoti Datta and Amit Gurbaksani. The podcast is your fortnightly lowdown on Mumbai's food and culture scenes. Plus, if you pay them money, they'll talk about your family and other animals.